Uh-huh. All right, guys. So today's video is going to be about candlestick. All right. Just a few things that I look at in terms of my trading. Where is candlestick important in trading? I'm gonna show you it's very important at a area of value. Some of you call it supply and demand. Some of you call it support and resistance. Some of you call it SNR areas, right? So those are areas. Mainly, I just look at um, four types of candlestick. The indecision candlestick, which you call the spinning top, the shooting star, or the hammer, right? Basically, that is it. Big wicks, small bodies in terms of price. The indecision of the spinning top price is on standstill, and the market is waiting to go to a particular direction. All right. And the hammer as well, you see those things at a support area where sometimes you see a hammer form and the market takes to the upside, a shooting star. At a resistance, you see that, and the price goes to the downside, right? So basically, those are just basically the candlesticks that I look at, and I also look at the engulfing candlestick, the big one for momentum in the market, right? So we will go to the chart, and I will show you guys that particular candlestick that I am speaking about. Speak screen 3, share. Right, so I'm sharing screen 3. You're supposed to be seeing my screen. Okay, so you're supposed to be seeing my screen. Now, on my last video, I talk about the V formation strategy, where aggressive selling or aggressive buying or whatever, you take a trade. So I'm going to show you guys for a continuation of a trend. This would be the 17th of May. One of the reasons why I stayed out of the trade is because there was a indecision here. So I look at that and I said, okay, I'm at a moving average, right? If I look left here, I will see that price has consolidated a little bit. Also, I talk about on the 14th of May, when market opened the Monday, which was the 17th. Monday in London takes out Friday high of New York, which was here. So basically, I saw this candlestick and I saw the trade happen, but I did not take the trade. I didn't take the trade, okay? I didn't take the trade. So the trade continues to go up, and I said I want to see a pullback. All right, so if you do look in this area here, there was indecision candle here, there was a bearish engulfing, stating that, to me, that the market is going to go for a reversal to the downside. All right, so when I saw the news happen for the buy, GBP was strong, so that means buy. When I look left during that day, which was the 18th, there was the bearish engulfing. This tells me indecision in the market, bearish engulfing. And even though I look here, prices are definitely in a range. Here's the next indecision candle for me, and the market just roll over. So I'm like, okay, I let the day play out, and if I look left, the here would be an area of value. I started to see indecision 1, indecision 2. There was a bullish engulfing. I was like, okay. This would have been that previous day, which was the 19th. That would have been New York's low, and I'm like, okay. Once Asia breaks on exchange broker Asia, and Trinidad time would be 7 o'clock, which was here. We had a sorry, it would have been here. Market would close here. This would have been the 7 o'clock candle, which London takes it out, and I'm like, bearish engulfing. Let's see. Wait for a pullback. I saw price came back. Indecision, where I entered on the lower time frame, and I hold on to that trade. Why the next trade? I did take the sell on it because I saw this. Because when I look left, there was a lot of was a resistance area. I look left, I saw this big wick at that area, and I'm like, okay, I take this out. Basically, you can find these candlesticks happening at areas of value. All right. So you may not see it on that particular time frame, but if it's on a bigger time frame, the stronger the direction would be, right? So it's good to know your candlestick as well. And I took the trade on Tuesday on previously, and I said when I look to my left also, which was on the 19th, but the news happened on the 20th, I took the trade. Here would have been a powerful area. I saw the candles start to wick out on that area, and I also said I would like to see a confirmation pattern. Sometimes I drop to my H4 time frame to see if I see a candlestick that will assist me in terms of that particular trade, which I definitely did. Here was a candlestick that was a doji or a dragonfly, whatever you want to call that. You can't see it because it is black and my background is black. And here would have been a spinning top or a indecision candle for me. So once I saw that at this area, I basically took that trade. All right. So I do hope that this video was helpful with your candlestick. So I don't only just take trades off of a V formation strategy in terms of aggressive selling or aggressive buying. I do look at areas of value, and at the areas of value, I must see my candlestick pattern. Also, I do use sometimes the moving average, but it gives me later entry. And basically that's it. So you can master that. So what you need is an area of value, meaning your support and your resistance area. If you see aggressive selling or buying, straight back to that area, price is likely to go back there. If you see a particular candlestick pattern, you can take the trade in that direction due to the candlestick pattern only at the area of value. All right, guys. So I do hope that this video is helpful.